Good morning everyone. So I wanted to show you how I do a tutorial looking down on my hands when I'm doing crochet or knitting. It is a cheap way. You can see it's just two very tall paper towels, two rolls. You can get the shorter towels, make sure you get the long ones. Then go to your bathroom centre or a variety shop, $2 shop, and get yourself a towel rail. This is a double towel rail. Look, it's even still got the screws sellotaped on each end. And then all I do is I balance each end and I put my phone on top. And then when I hit record, it's looking straight down on my hands, and it's a good view for people learning. I always wondered how Bella Coco and all those great big channels do their tutorials. They have fancy tripods with sticky out arms and things like that, which can cost quite a lot and hard to find in New Zealand. And then I saw this double towel rail, and my brain started to think, so I thought I just need something tall, and it works. It's very simple. The only thing is these new phones, I borrowed this one off a friend, have the cameras on the edge. So the camera's actually sitting on the rail, so these new phones don't actually work. My old phone has the camera in the middle, so that works perfectly. So I don't even know if they make cameras with the phones, make phones with the cameras in the middle. If you sit it if you sit it very carefully, you can get it to balance so you can see through that camera. But as you can see, it drops off very, very easily. So if you can find yourself a phone with a camera in the middle, and find yourself a double paper towel rail, this is just the easiest way. Or something similar. You'll find something similar that might hold your phone. So give that a go, and a really good idea. Bye.